Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can work as a fast food worker on Bloxburg. So select your icon here, go to work and select fast food worker, and you're just going to hit that like suitcase button. Work case. Okay, that was my water bottle. I'm so sorry. But once you have done that, it's still loading. What you can do when you're a fast food worker, you can be the one who chops vegetables. You can be the one who fries the French fries. Here, I'll show you a little bit. Okay, I'll do number 634. Okay, so this person ordered an onion ring. I already have like a stock here, but if it's not here, you're just going to fry your onion ring until it's like red. You can assemble burgers here. So 634 has one square patty, which is vegan, 2 slices of cheese, and 1 tomato. You're just going to stack them, and you're just going to place it here. You're just going to right click to look at the orders. And here you can chop vegetables, so place it here. And then you're just going to follow the pattern. They also have a patty cooking station. So whenever it turns red, you're just going to move it here. Here, you're just going to press E to restock some stuff. Sorry. You can also become a cashier here as well. So 1 patty, 1 cheese, 2 lettuces, medium, and a small drink. And once you're done, you're just going to end shift out here. That's how you can work as a fast food worker. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.